Kung na-stress ako, alam ko na kung hanggang saan lang yung capacity ko at ano ang limit ko, okay lang yon. But to stay stressed is not. Being intentional in everything that we're doing. Anong klaseng intentional yung sinasabi ko? Hindi paramihan ng activities, hindi paramihan ng effort. Because no matter what you do, no matter what you try, no matter your effort is, if you are a level 5 person, the quality will always be level 5. Am I against stress and overwhelmment? Depends. Kung na-stress ako, kasi at least ngayon alam ko na kung hanggang saan lang yung capacity ko at ano ang limit ko, okay lang yon. But to stay stressed is not. Parang kulang na lang mamuti na yung buhok mo sa stress, sa pressure. Dapat habang tumatagal, lalong dumadali. The longer it is, the more passive it should be. Ang laging titignan lamang, how much can I grow me to the person that can handle more?